Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Nissan Altima key battery. First, let's gather our essential tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a fresh CR 2032 coin cell battery, and of course, your Nissan Altima key fob. Having a clean, well-lit area will make this process much smoother and help prevent any tiny components from getting lost. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership. Now that you have your tools ready, let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually located on the side or bottom edge of the fob. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, the two halves of the key fob should begin to separate. Be careful not to use too much force, as the internal electronics are delicate. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery nestled inside. Before you remove it, take a quick moment to observe its orientation. Typically, the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. Use your small screwdriver to gently lift and remove the old, depleted CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and carefully place it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side is facing up. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the internal components are properly seated. Gently press the halves together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Before you finish, press each button to ensure they feel responsive. Then, head to your vehicle and test the key fob's lock and unlock functions to confirm your successful battery replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.